Ever stepped on a rusty nail and someone yelled, "You need a tetanus shot"? Well, they weren't wrong. Let's talk about tetanus.
Hi, my name's Tetanus, but my haters call me Clostridium tetani. I'm at least a few millennia old, but dirt, feces, dust, and rust are my home. I sneak into your wounds and release a toxin that basically prevents your nervous system from being able to tell your muscles to relax, which many people tell me is like low-key toxic, but I don't really care. Green flags, I like sunsets and long walks on the beach. Red flags, I guess some people say infecting wounds, releasing toxins, causing muscle spasms and lockjaw isn't really cool. And in some cases, I actually kill people, which I don't really know how that's my fault, but yeah,
Yes, tetanus is no joke. It causes muscle stiffness and can be deadly. And once it starts, there is no cure.
that's right. I be eyeing your wounds the way this burglar be hitting the Debbie Ryan on these open windows. Once I'm in, my toxins will destroy the necessary proteins that release relaxing signals, kind of like destroying the kill switch. And no, you can't use antibiotics to stop me because it's my toxins that do the damage. You can take me out, but if I release those toxins, you're as good as dead. The only way you can stop me is by preventing me in the first place.
Someone say prevention. I'm Tdap, the tetanus vaccine. I train your body's immune system to recognize and destroy tetanus before he even gets a foot or spore in the door.
Our scientist Ryan can show you how the vaccine works.
The tetanus vaccine is usually given in a combo shot called Tdap, first as a child in a series of shots, then a booster every 10 years. It essentially works by stimulating the same toxin the bacteria releases. Scientists treat the bacterial toxin in a lab to make it non-toxic while retaining its shape. When injected, immune cells like B cells and T cells that are on patrol will know exactly what the toxin looks like before it can really cause damage.
And if you get a deep or dirty wound and it's been more than 5 years since your last shot, time for a booster. I can help the body remember what to look for. Better safe than sorry.
Just remember, folks, tetanus is not contagious, but it is deadly. So keep your vaccines up and don't let a tiny cut be a big problem.